Everybody, and welcome back to the chateau, which is, well, everything's melting. That's it. It appears, and apparently it's gone from -4 overnight, and on Sunday we have 17, plus 17. That's an interesting swing, and that's actually great for me because it's a little cold snap. Still got time to try and deal with the ongoing let's heat this place cheaply thing. Now, I did think if it's going to be a freezing day, that I would be able to sit in front of a fire paraffin heater in the workshop and finish the wood chipper, and if not, sit in front of the fire and sort out my gym, because if you hadn't noticed, because I certainly have looking back at the videos, I might need to use that a little bit this winter. Age is catching up. However, I've had a phone call from Billy about some other ongoing things, and we need to escape and have a look at something quite important. You can probably guess where I am. So I am at Chateau Panard. I'm here to see everybody and catch up with Billy. We're going to go from here to something else. This isn't where we're supposed to be going today. We've got something else to go and do, but a quick catch up here, because I've only actually ever seen this place in the complete pitch black inside. So this isn't actually what we're off to do today, is it?
No, it's not.
But we just thought we'd...
Nothing to do with this place.
Okay.
I've got nothing to do with this place. I'm not responsible for this.
I was just going to say responsible and full stop.
Yeah, however, it was us and Ryan who first looked at it, remember?
Yeah, I was going to say, I have been in this in the pitch black.
Mm-hmm. Halloween.
Yes, Halloween, yeah. I've been around it during the day. I've never actually seen it inside during the day. So I'm quite
looking any better.
No, it doesn't. No.
Right. Yeah. Welcome to Mucky Mansion.
Oh, I suppose. Well, let's have a quick look then.
I think the humour's more mucky than the chateau.
My kind of place.
So when you come in, Phil.
Yeah, it's going to take something. I remember when we had a look round on Halloween, because they'd not long smashed that mirror, had they?
No.
Which is a shame.
Yeah.
But this is a lot of work.
It's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. I like this a lot because I'm not the one responsible to do it. Good.
Well said.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's got a lot of potential regardless.
That's not what the sign says. The sign doesn't say this has potential.
It's a dangerous building.
Do not enter.
Falling stones, etc. Do not enter the site.
Yeah.
That's it, yeah.
That's not quite the same as lots of potential. Were you a London estate agent? Yeah, this is... I mean, look at that. Do love this though. That gallery. You don't want to go in that room. Everything's so dangerous. Wow. Seeing it in daylight is certainly... I hope make me. I mean, there's projects and then there's projects. Yeah. Making me feel distinctly better about my home. Right. Now, on to the actual job we were doing today. Right, I'm not going to lie. It's beautiful to see this place, having looked around the outside of it a very long time ago, looked inside it on Halloween with torches, and then seeing it today. It wasn't the aim of the video today, obviously, we've got something else to do, but this has made me feel a lot better about my current projects. I've got to say, this is something else. And obviously, I'm sure you've all seen it, everybody, but there's a link to Sailing Stan's channel in the description below if you haven't already seen this or wanted to catch up with this. Now I need to find Billy, because to actually do what we're supposed to be doing today, not getting distracted. I'm just going to interrupt while I'm editing the video. I had to film this bit because I am going to have to blur some of the very prominent features of the building that we're about to look at, because it's way too easy to identify, and it's as crazy as what you're about to see looks. It is a chateau that was turned with a beautiful chapel that was very pretty years ago, turned into a hospital, and all sorts of add-ons on the outside were put on it, and it's been left abandoned, it's been vandalised, destroyed. It has huge potential, but it's also huge amounts of work, and you'd have to strip back all of the weird add-ons. So it looks crazy, and I don't want to give away its location. So now some of the stuff has been blurred out, but you can see, well, the craziness of this potential project once you have a look inside.
So when you told me that one day we'd both end up in a sanatorium, I didn't think it would be so soon, and I wouldn't think you'd find one for sale either.
All I'm going to say is the photographer that the estate agent used was very good compared to what we're currently looking at. Mm-hmm. Either that or something has drastically happened since that listing.
It's very eerie.
It is definitely... I don't want to live here, buddy. Please don't make me.
So essentially, that's a chateau.
Yeah.
That was a chateau.
It was a chateau.
And they've built that to accommodate people.
Because it was a rehabilitation hospital as well as... Yeah. And
can we have a quick look inside while we're here?
Well...
I want to see inside the chapel quickly.
Oh, let's just see, because this is important, to see what sort of state the place is in.
We have been in touch with the estate agent, by the way, everyone. We are allowed to.
Yeah.
We haven't broken in.
What? Just don't even... Oh, God. Well, there's certainly no breaking.
They've got oxygen.
Oh, okay.
Reserved for ambulances.
Oh, that's helpful, because we're going to need one if we trip over on any of this glass. We want to be careful of that. This laminated glass. Oh. This was all intact according to the...
The last property we were at is better condition than this.
Yeah. Do you know, I literally said to camera, it's nice being here at Panhard, because it reminds me that I would never have a project this crazy. And we're currently considering this.
Come on.
Oh, God. That's air conditioning as standard. Oh, that goes... Is that this? Is that the building behind? Oh, this is all a bit... No. Oh, why would people... Why would you come and graffiti a chapel? But that...
This is half the chapel.
Oh, okay. This is so pretty.
So if you look at above...
Oh...
It's been plasterboarded out.
Oh, what? Okay. Right. Oh, I'm not going in that room. Oh, well, you can see behind it. That's quite amazing. Yeah, it's a bit more. So that's just... But you can see behind the plasterboard there, the windows of it and all the rest of it. Out of that window, is that the road? Or is the road... No, there's more buildings.
Behind that building.
Behind that building, there's more buildings. Oh, it's a little complex, isn't it? Yeah, look. You can see up there. Ah, stained glass at the end as well.
The chapel goes... In fact, it's bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger that way.
In fact, it's not bigger that way. So this is just like the... Well, I can't even describe it, but it's been butchered, essentially.
Yeah.
Let's keep going.
What are they?
I'm not sure. The rooms are nice, though.
Are they?
Well, they would have been.
They would have been. I'm going to say this is... When you say a nice room, this is not what I consider. I mean, I know my standards are low. Is that sound of water inside? I mean, it could be inside. Oh, there must have been gardens and everything for when it was a rehab place. There's so many buildings here. This is just insane. I don't think I want to go up the stairs, buddy.
No, I'm not going upstairs either.
Missing the doors. Wow, that is a staircase though. We're in the original chateau now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
That whole
tell.
room is full of asbestos, so I wouldn't go in there.
Yeah, that's a fun room.
And there is water coming in here.
Uh-huh.
This room is also full of asbestos.
Yeah, should we walk back around?
We'll go quickly.
No, I'm walking back around. Right, so we're in that new wing now, are we?
So the room underneath the bench.
This, you can tell this was hospital. Oh, look, there's obviously stuff underneath that because they're skylights.
Yeah.
Well, okay.
This place is creepy.
It's...
I thought the convent was bad. This is something else.
This is a new level of...
Could you put a car in that film?
I know, you're always the same. It's always the same. There's your little workshop. You're going to make me live here, aren't you?
I'm going to say it now. I'm not going to be any part of this film. This is all you, okay? I've got a convent. I'm happy. Right? If you want to buy something like this, you've got to do it. I'll help you, but I can't see myself here working every day,
No.
especially at night.
I'm not going to be anywhere near this place at night.
I've seen enough.
Yeah. Well, upstairs will just be the same, won't it?
Yeah.
So, basically, well, what's downstairs?
It's just medical equipment everywhere. It's just look at this room here. Look at this room.
No, I don't want to.
Actually, you shouldn't show that for YouTube.
Exactly.
Yeah, don't show that for YouTube.
No. Right, I definitely feel like it's worth less than their original estimate.
Let's go downstairs.
I just said that. Does it go? Do we go down?
It does, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Okay, that's fine, Renee. I'm happy with that.
How do you get downstairs? Is that a lift?
It is. It's a bit broken.
It's seen better days.
It has. I know how it feels. This is just...
Okay.
I think I need to exit
Yeah.
because... Oh, that's the original kitchen. Look at that, buddy.
Is that the kitchen?
Yeah, look, it's in there. You can see through there. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Right, so you know how I said this was an insane project? I completely agree, and it's worse than we thought.
Insanity project. Not a passion project. Insanity project. Midlife crisis.
That's worse than that. Right, so we obviously haven't shown much or anything that's massively identifiable for obvious reasons. So more people can't get it. So what are your thoughts, Billy?
Run. Don't go anywhere near it. Don't even touch it. Just the clear up. The pure clear up will take you years.
Well, you know, I'm really good at listening to people.
You're good at cleaning as well, aren't you?
Nope. Right, let's go and yeah, everybody. Well, listen, thanks so much for watching. If you look at that is, we didn't even look upstairs. It is completely ruined. The amount of work is amazing. And you are probably wondering why you would even think about something like that, especially given the fact that there are so many add-ons to make it a hospital that you've got to pull so much stuff down to get to the original beauty of that chateau. Well, it's because a place like this, when you have something that is livable, like my home, you have to respect what is currently there. So you can't go insulating walls. I mean, I'm thinking about heating a lot at the moment. You can't go pulling everything off, all this wood paneling, for example. You can't go taking that down to put insulation behind just to hide some pipe work for the radiator being put on afterwards. These things, you have to respect the property. You can't tear it apart. You can't destroy the plasterwork on the ceilings just so you can add a bit of depth to get some insulation. These things are what you put up with to have such a beautiful building. But having one that is completely ruined to begin with, and sometimes those architectural features aren't there to save, is a completely different ballgame, because what you do is you get to start a beautiful old building, but from scratch, and put the character back into it. So it's a very, very appealing thought, and it has been something that's been going through my mind for quite a long time. Whether that one is just too insane or not, well, that's yet to be seen, and there are conversations in the background going on. So we shall see. Anyway, I'm sure you will let me know in the comments whether you think that's just too insane, and I probably won't listen. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye now.